Okay, now that we got our keyword list together and we got that saved in our pocket, the next thing that we need to do is we need to purchase some hosting so that we have a place to host our website on. And there's two different companies that I recommend. I used a lot of different hosting companies over the years. And the first one is BlueHost, and the other one is HostGator. If you're building just one website for your business, then BlueHost is all that you're going to need. If you're going to get into affiliate marketing and are going to build more than, I don't know, 10 or 20 sites, then I recommend GoDaddy. And the links for both of these are also on the download page and in the PDF. And I should also mention that any of the links that I leave, those are affiliate links, and I do get a commission on any of the sales, so I want to be upfront about that. So what we're going to do now is pick a domain name. Now, what is a domain name? Well, if you look right up here in the address bar, you see it says http://www.bluehost.com/. Okay, that's your URL. That's your domain name. You might want to just, in a few years back, this was really important to pick a domain name that had the right keywords in it. And it's still not a bad idea to, like if you're running a local business, to maybe put some geo-specific words in there. But if you just want to use for example, I had someone who had, it was a massage therapy parlor, and it was called Blue Moon. Okay, well, Blue Moon, if someone's looking for a massage therapist in a local area, they're not going to type in Blue Moon, see? So it's not really related. But SEO is about a bunch of little things. So if you want to use your business name on there, that is fine. I know a lot of people like to put it on their business cards and stuff like that. But if you can put, like I'm in Chicago here, and if you have a dog grooming business or something like that, you might want to consider using Chicago in your domain name. Whatever you decide to do, like I said, you can just go ahead and put your business name in there. It's not so important anymore as far as ranking. Okay, and you can just sign up for the basic service. I think it's like $87. Don't quote me on this. I can't remember. I have 3 different hosting service accounts with them myself. So I'm going to go ahead and just log into one of my accounts. And you're going to be asked to register a domain name. Okay? And that's what you want to put in there is the name that you want. And then that's going to be registered. Once it's registered, I'm going to show you around your BlueHost dashboard. There's a lot of stuff in here, and it can be kind of intimidating, but don't let it be. A lot of this stuff you're not really going to use. Okay, this is your BlueHost dashboard, and there's a lot of different things in here. Like I said, you get to all your files. If you're going to be purchasing new domain names, you do it here through domain registry. But what we're going to be focusing on is we have a website, because you purchased a domain name, and now we need to install WordPress on it. So what we're going to do, BlueHost offers simple scripts, and this is a very easy way to install WordPress. So if you click on simple scripts, it's going to take you to this dashboard. Now yours is going to be blank here, except for your one domain name that you actually purchased. I got a lot of different websites on mine. But if you scroll down, and you go right down here, see where it says WordPress? You want to click that. Install WordPress. It should ask me. Okay. Then you want to click Install. Now, where do you want to install it? Again, I have all these websites, so I got a long list. But your domain is going to be in here, okay? So you just click I have read the deal. Let me see something. I got to do something here. Let me stop this video and find one of these that's blank so I can actually install it. I'm gonna pause this video for a second. Okay, on second thought, I'm gonna go ahead and register a new domain so that you guys know how to do that. So let's go to a register a new domain. Choose a domain. Test site 1. I bet that's open. And then you can pick your extension .com, .net, .org, .info, .biz, .us. Okay, you get to choose those. If you're a non-for-profit, you might want to go with .org. If you're information, you might want to go with .net. Most things, .coms are the cherries. Those are the good ones to get. So let's see if test site 1 is available. And it's going to check and see if that domain has been purchased already or not. Oh, okay. Let's try my test site 1. I need a test site anyways. Congratulations, domain my test site 1 is available. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and purchase that. It costs $10 for an extra domain name. So we'll click that. No, I don't want the domain privacy. You can have domain privacy for an additional $9.95 per year. And what that does is that blocks people from accessing your address and stuff like that through your domain name. I agree to the terms of service. Add to shopping cart. And it should take you to where you can pay through PayPal or you can pay with your credit card for your domain name. Sometimes it runs a little slow. Okay, and you just follow the process through for paying for it. I blocked out my credit information. I don't want that broadcast all over the place. But that's how you get a new domain or even register your first domain. So let's go back to Simple Scripts now that we have a new website. And we will install WordPress. Again, scroll all the way down. Click on WordPress. Scroll down again, install. Okay, I've read the terms of agreement. Pick the site. That was what my oh, did I purchase without the W? I don't think so. Okay, and you follow the payment process through, then come back to your main cPanel. Now that we purchased the domain, let's go back to domains. We need to add a database, and that's what this is going to do. It's going to create a database. My test site 1. Put that right there. Don't touch anything else. Just come down here, and on the bottom it says add domain. Okay, once it's finished adding the domain, you'll be on your domain manager page. We don't need anything else here. We're going to go back to our cPanel again. So we've purchased the domain, then we've added the domain to it. Now it has a database. Now we're going to go to Simple Scripts, which is located at the top of your dashboard. Click on that. It's going to take you here, which will have your sites listed there as you get more sites. But scroll all the way down, and then over on the left hand side right here is WordPress. Scroll down again after it takes you to the next page, install. Okay, where would you like WordPress to be installed? Okay, my test site 1, find your site in the list, and again you'll only have one if you purchase just one domain. Agree to the terms of agreement and click complete. And what's that? That's going to automatically install WordPress, which means in a moment you're going to have a website. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to save this right here. This is the temporary password that it's giving you. Okay, then it's going to give you a login link. So let's just click on that. And that's going to prompt up your login box. Okay, so let's type in admin and let's paste in that password and let's log in. No, let's not remember this password because we're going to do something right away. Let me close that down. Okay, we're in the dashboard right now, and in the next video I'm going to go over what that is. But for right now, what we want to do is we want to change our password. Okay, so if you go to settings, right over here on the left you have all these gray boxes. Click on settings tab and it's going to open up a bunch of different choices. Click on general, but we're not going to go over that right now. But over here on the left, if you click on users, it's going to open up a drop down list. Okay, click on the third one that says your profile. Okay, once you get to this page, scroll all the way down and it's going to ask you for a new password. Type that in. Remember it. You might want to put it in your notepad file or something. Make it unique. That one there is medium grade. You might want to make it so that it's strong. And click update profile. Okay. We've got WordPress installed. We've changed our password. So to get in, it's admin and then whatever password you select, and I'll show you how to get in the next couple of videos. But for now, let's take a look at your new WordPress website. If you look right up here, it says My Blog up in the top left-hand corner. Go ahead and click on that, and that's going to take you to the front page of your new WordPress website with the default theme. And that's it. You're all set there. So we're going to go on and I'll give you a tour of how to navigate around in WordPress, and then we'll go on to uploading themes. Alright, see you in the next video.